Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This one has 36,000 miles on it, and it also features the 6.2 liter V8. Of course, being the previous gen Denali, it doesn't have the 6-way adjustable tailgate, but still a great truck nonetheless. You do have your bedside step. You just hop right on into the bumper and then you can hop right in. Nice back seat area. Onyx black is the exterior color. All your books and manuals. Actually, these are all the service records. That's pretty cool. I kept all the service records. That definitely adds to the value. Oh, I thought that was a window sticker. Nope, just the inspection. I absolutely love the Denalis. Always have. Really kind of always will. They're just excellent trucks for the money. And they really did start the luxury truck trend. Eight-speed automatic works just as it should. You do have lane keep assist as well as forward collision warning. I mean, these trucks, even for a 2017, have tons of options. Tons of features, and actually just got activated today. 3 months free trial of Sirius XM radio. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.